Alright guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to turn a photo into a digital stamp using the trace image tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, we have covered the trace image feature before in depth. So today we'll be just having a run over if we want to do something like a photo to a digital stamp. So it's quite a popular little technique or feature to use. Now, first of all, your image, ideally get something with a transparent background or a white background. Like as you can see with this rose, the outline is quite prominent and the contrast also not too bad. The better the contrast, I would say, normally makes for better traced images or stamps. So what you want to do is we want to navigate to the actual trace tool. So there's a little icon with like a vector curve. So if we click on that, it'll pop up our options. So first of all, we want to locate our image we want to trace. We go to choose image, then it'll pop up your navigation box, and just navigate to where your final image is, or the image you want to trace. Select that and we click open. Now first of all, we want to make sure that our monochrome is selected. Then we will leave this one off for now, the use alpha channel, and then the contrast for now we'll leave exactly in the middle, so 126. And resampling, we will play around with this, but for now I'll keep it at ×1, and then we want to make sure we add high pass filter, and then we'll look at some different values here between 1 and 2. And then the smoothing is 75, detail 65, so most of the stuff is just stock the way I left it. Then you can obviously click update preview, and then we can go here to our show image source, and I'm just going to adjust this till we see more of what's being traced. So too much image right over here. Okay, that's fully maxed out. So now we can kind of see what's being traced, and then now we can adjust. So if I take the high pass down, then we can see there that it actually traces less. So the more this high pass goes up, the more of the contrast it starts tracing. So if it gets too much noise in there, you might not want to put that despeckle one on. I'm going to leave mine off. So then let's go take this one back to 1. Now if we resample this, so it basically scales the image resolution. You can see now we get less detail. So what you can always do is you up this one, and then you up your high pass filter to get more controlled details through. So for me, a good balance is normally just a 1 here and a 2 over here. So I'll put the resampling to 1 and the high pass filter to 2. But keep in mind, this will vary depending on the image you're tracing. But for me, this works well. So then last up, we just click OK here. Then we'll trace your image and place it on your canvas. I just move it here and scale it to a relative size. Relatively similar size. As you can see there, that's a rather quick way to make nice stamps of your of a traced image. And obviously you can still now adjust this with your path tools and stuff if you want to clean it up, but in general I found that it's not even necessary. This comes out quite nice. Otherwise yeah, that's it on the photo to digital stamp. If we head here to vinylcut.co.za, program is available here. Just go to the downloads page. Otherwise, under softwaretraining.co.za, we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, like I mentioned in the intro video. And also we have this nice little search option, so if you don't want to manually navigate through all the videos, you can just type in what you're looking for here, hit that little magnifying glass, and then it will find it for you. But if you don't find that video that you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.